we're going to go after this P0442 code right here, Evap system small leak detected. We've got our sensors here, so that code is typically caused or reflected in the fuel tank pressure sensor. So we're sitting with at 1.5 volts with basically no pressure, so an open system would show that. So a lot of times you'll see that thing up at the 2.5 or 3 volts mark just sitting here. That's usually a faulty sensor, but that's where we want that sensor. Another common problem is the purge solenoid leaking. So what we do is if we I have disconnected this purge solenoid, so there's no electricity going to it, and this is the hose that goes back to the tank. That's disconnected. Now, so I've got my a pressure or a vacuum gauge here. Now with this purge solenoid disconnected, so no electricity, there should be nothing at that port there. That's the port that goes back to the fuel tank and pulls vapors from the fuel tank. There should be nothing on this with the electricity disconnected. But if you watch here, watch the gauge. I put this hose on here. You can see it's always sucking something. So that purge solenoid is leaking. Pulling a vacuum always on that tank, which shows in the fuel tank pressure sensor. When there should be pressure on that thing, it's showing low pressure, which is signified by the computer interprets that as a leak. So this thing's going to get a purge solenoid. It's also going to get the high pressure fuel pump for our rich condition and our fuel rail pressure condition. We'll write this one up and see if our customer wants to fix it.